Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing a Fendi bag from anyfashion.ru. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post, and let's get straight into it. So anyfashion.ru is an online website that specializes in high quality reps. So they have so many different brands on their website, and their bags replicate what's in the store. So like the quality of the bags is to be like the same quality that you see in stores, like the same materials and all of that. So on their website they do have brands such as Fendi, Louis Vuitton, Chanel, Gucci, and more. So I'm going to show you guys this Fendi bag I picked out. This is actually a bag I've been wanting for a while now. It's like an old school classic bag, because the new ones that that Fendi makes, I don't really like them. I love the old school, I think it's pronounced baguette, not too sure, but I love the old school one. So it does come in the box, so love that they include a box for you. And then the inside, it does have a dust bag. So this is the dust bag that it comes in, and then it also just has like this little Fendi. I'll open it up so you guys can see what this is. That I was really excited. They did have different styles of Fendi bags on their site, but specifically they did have the one that I was looking for. So let's just go ahead and unbox her. And I did already look at this bag. It's so cute. It does come with the handle not on, so I did have to just buckle the handle onto each side. So just a close-up. Okay, so this is the bag itself, guys. This is so cute. It reminds me of like early 2000s. I don't have any bags where it's just a cute little shoulder bag, top handle. I know the Y2K style has come back for girls wearing like the cute little shoulder bags. So this is so cute. I was looking for this type that had like the clasp like this, because the new ones, it doesn't look like this anymore. So I thought this was just so cute. I love the brown color of this bag. The quality of the bag is really nice, you guys. It really does look like a good rep. My mother-in-law actually has the real one of this, and it looks just like it. Like, it's so cute. So it does have the Fendi logo in the front, and then you just open it, and then that's just the inside of the bag. It has a good amount of room. It does fit what I need. It does have the Fendi logo on the inside, and then it does have a zipper. And if you guys hear the construction outside, I'm sorry, they're doing construction next door. And it just has the zipper pouch. So super cute, you guys. I actually did wear it out yesterday, and I was like, let me hurry up and film this video so I don't end up messing up anything. But this is the side of the bag, the back of the bag, other side, the top, the bottom, and then like the handle. Like I said, the handle is a nice good material. It doesn't feel cheap or anything like that, and it does have the adjustable, so you can make it shorter or longer. I have it on the longest. So cute, guys. I really think this is a cute bag, especially for the winter time. I don't know, it's just something about it that's really cute. I cannot wait to wear this bag even more. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this quick little unboxing. If you are interested in their website, I will have them linked in the description box below, plus a discount code so you guys can save some money off of your purchase. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.